My mom said, I'm going to stay in bed all day. It's 48 degrees inside this house. Can't even open the door. Can't take the dogs outside. They have to pee-pee and caca on the rug. Angel had to stay outside my mama's room because had to stay outside my mother's room last night because I'm like, oh, Mom, asks to go to the bathroom, but oh, lo and behold, she asked to go to the bathroom, but we couldn't let her outside because there's only a little crack. She could have fit, but she wouldn't go without my mom, and my mom couldn't fit. This was 3:30 in the morning. I think it's still snowing. Can't even open the door. I think it's still snowing. This is fucking crazy. This is fucking insane. I have to have the dogs go to the bathroom on the floor. At least it's light. At least it's light. I can read all day. I like reading. I can try to listen on my MP3 player, static or non, if I can find a station that's not static, and see what the fuck's going on around here. This is Laura Lee B checking in for the blizzard of 2013 in Massachusetts, baby.